watched the movie Paddington, you may see Paddington's character. He is polite, kind, and brings people together. He also helps all he can. For example, in Paddington 2, he chases a thief who stole from his friend's shop. He went to all lengths just to get that item back. Paddington is polite and always greet everyone he sees. Could you be like Paddington? Hi there, my name is Jadon Lee, and now we will be talking about good manners and kindness. Good manners and kindness are important in many ways. It shows that you respect people. It shows that we are considerate about other people's feelings. We should show good manners and kindness to all people, even strangers, enemies, and people who have wronged us. Even though sometimes it may be challenging to always show good manners and kindness, we must try our best and show that we can do what is right and show good manners and kindness. One day, I saw my classmate being wronged for something he did not do. He used to be naughty but had become a better person. I argued with the person who wronged him, but it had no effect. The next day, I reminded them to stop accusing him, but nothing changed. So I talked with the classmate who was being wronged. He was a good person and fun to talk to, and we eventually became friends. Since then, every day when he sees us, he greets us. This shows how showing good manners and kindness can greatly have an impact on someone's life. I am certain that the person who teased and blamed my classmate should learn good manners and kindness. They should apologize, be accepting, and get to know him better. This way, they can do what is right and be kind to others instead of accusing and bullying them. More importantly, it shows good manners and kindness. As classmates, we should work together instead of fighting and arguing. Good manners and kindness are extremely important and can help us in our social lives, such as making friends. Good manners and kindness provide comfort, help other people, and show respect for another person. Remember, good manners and kindness are always in fashion. Thank you.